Welcome to our channel Giggle and Learn with us.
Hey kids, look carefully. Where is the ball? Is it in the box, on the box, or under the box? This fun video will help learn prepositions easily in just a few minutes. Let's start with in. In means inside something. The ball is in the box. Say it with me. In. Your turn. Where is the apple? In or on? Yes, in the basket. Now, on. On means on top of something. The book is on the table. Say it with me. On. Where is the cat? On or under? On the chair. Great! Next is under. Under means below something. The ball is under the table. Say it with me. Under. Where is the dog? Under or in? Under the table. Woof! Now let's learn above. Above means higher than something. The picture is above the table. Say it with me. Above. Where is the bird? Above or under? Yes, above the tree. Next word, beside. Beside means next to something. The ball is beside the box. Say it with me. Beside. Where is the dog? Beside or under? Yes, beside the chair. Last one, between. Between means in the middle of two things. The ball is between the boxes. Say it with me. Between. Where is the cat? Between or on? Between the chairs. Amazing! Let's say it all together. In, inside. On top. Under, below. Above, higher. Beside, next to. Between, in the middle. Wow, you're super smart! Now a fun challenge. Where is the toy? In, on, under, above, beside, or between? Yes, between! You got it! We are learning simple English step by step every week. Subscribe so your child doesn't miss the next fun lesson. Bye, kids! See you soon!